Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I make workout videos and cooking videos so that we as a community can make this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives. And as you can tell from the thumbnail, and I am here to make yet another announcement to my family and friends in this community. And I'm not going to give you this long, drawn out, dramatic intro as to why we are here. I'm just going to get straight to the point. And that being, I am going to split this channel. As you already know, I do workout videos and I do cooking videos for the most part, sometimes some home decor and sometimes some vlogs on this channel. But it's just not working, you guys. If you know anything about YouTube, YouTube is a business. YouTube makes a determination as far as what audience to put your videos in front of. For example, if you do cooking videos, they are going to put the cooking videos out to an audience that they feel would be interested in cooking videos. They're not going to give your cooking videos to somebody that may be interested in mechanics. That's not how it works, because once again, YouTube is a business and they want people to watch the videos because that's how they in turn make money. So having said that, because I do so many different types of videos, okay, on my channel. When I do cooking videos and they present it to people that are only interested in the workout videos, I'm not getting the views. And when I don't get the views, YouTube is going to stop spreading my videos around. And that's not a good thing, you guys. And that is because if you have ever attempted to do anything on YouTube, you already know that it is a lot of work, When we present the videos, okay, we present these videos, they're all polished and they're all nice and they're just good when we present them to you. But behind the scenes, there is so much that goes into it. The ideas, concepts, the scripting, putting the set together, the filming, the lighting, the music, all the editing, and and then when we put it out to you, you guys, having said all that, depending upon what it is that you are doing, it could be from 3 to sometimes 6 hours of work for each and every video that we do. And we do it because we love it. We do it because we're passionate about it. At least that's why I do it, you guys. I love what I do. I love putting together the workout videos. I love, putting together these cooking videos. But then when you get 20, 30, 40, 50 views, it is frustrating because again, it's almost like going to work and putting in a full week's worth of work and not getting paid. So I have come to the conclusion, I think what I need to do, at least at this point, to improve my viewership is to be very specific on my channel as far as what it is that I am bringing to my audience. And that being either the workout videos or the food and home videos. And that's where the split is coming into play. So on this channel, you guys, Yokos Woman, you will still continue to find the workout videos. That is not going anywhere. But the second channel that I am going to be putting together is going to be the Yokos Woman Food and Home channel. That is currently in the works, not yet completed it, not yet launched it. So once that is actually in place, I will come back to you and I will make that announcement to let you know, that that is up and running. And if you are interested in the food videos, if you are interested in the home decor video, if you are interested in the vlogs that I may be bringing you, that is where you will find those on that channel, you guys. So I also want to let you know, in the meantime, because I am in the process of putting that channel together, you will not see any new posts as far as my cooking videos are concerned, because I will still continue to make the exercise videos for this platform. And again, once the second one is up and running, I'll come back to you and I will let you know. And I do hope that you will join me over there as well, you guys. And I want to thank you all so very much, okay, for continuing on, with me with this journey, because again, I love, love, love what it is that I do. I am passionate about my channel. I am passionate about the workout videos. I'm passionate about the cooking videos. And I hope, okay, that you love what I do as well, you guys. So thank you so much once again, okay, for continuing along with me. I do hope that you will continue, okay, to subscribe to my channel. And also please do share my channel with those that you feel will benefit from what I am doing here. And again, I will come back to you again and let you know when channel number 2, Yokos Woman, Food and Home, is up and running. So again, stay here for the workout videos, you guys, and I will see you right here real soon on my workout floor. And thanks again, you guys, and I will see you real soon.